Hey guys. Okay, no. Hi guys. Welcome to today's video, and sorry for that really awkward intro. Anyway, today we are continuing our journey through the Christmas story, and I think what I'm gonna do with these Christmas looks, since I have so much time, I'm going to break them down into colors, and maybe later on it can turn into a series, who knows. But I'm going to break them down into colors. So last week I think I did a burgundy silver look, so this week for this video I'm going to be doing like a blue glitter fantasy thing. You got it? I hope you got it. Okay, so I feel really stupid talking to the camera right now, so I'm just gonna get started with my makeup. I'm sorry if the camera is a little shaky. I keep touching it, so that's not my problem. Actually it is, but I'm not gonna go there. Anyway, so I've done my brows and primed my lids off camera. So now I'm gonna be taking this palette again, because I swear after Christmas I'll have new palettes to play with, so you gotta bear with me just a little while. Just a little while. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking this palette, and then I'm gonna just go straight into this shade. So I start on the outer corner, and I'm going to be doing a cut crease. So I want this outer corner to kind of flick out, so I have that nice sort of like base to make my cut. So I go from out here. After flicking it, I just go inwards, like all the way to the inner corner, and I just fluff it in with small circles. Welcome, my best friend, Mr. Pimple. Anyway, I've just finished laying down that transition shade. So now I'm going to be going into this palette. This is where I'm going to be introducing the blue. So, oh my gosh, so I'm going to be doing this. So I'm first going to be taking this and using it as my second transition. And it's going to be a bit lower than that first all over transition shade. So y'all gotta bear with me while I add that blue in. Taking it the same way from the outer corner. Winging it out. Like that. Winging it out slightly. And then going in with the remaining product on that brush. It'll look a little gray for now, but as you add color and pigment, it will look better. Trust, I've done this. Going back in with that blue to intensify it like that. I'm just packing that shadow in. I'm not necessarily dragging it. I'm just packing that in to really utilize that blue pigment to like really show it and bring it out, just like that. So you can always go back in with that first brush, don't add any product, and just go over the edges just to soften it up a little bit. And as it goes with most of my looks and videos, I don't practice them. It turns out how it turns. Okay, now that second shade is down, I'll clean this up later. I'm sorry about this, it's bothering me too. So anyway, I'm going to be cutting my crease. I'm going to be doing a full cut crease, and I'm going to be putting down this base, it's foundation, but I'm going to be cutting the crease. And you want to make sure when you're cutting the crease to be very, like, take your time, do it slowly. You gotta have patience and like center yourself, because you don't want to have wonky eyes, and I've learned that the hard way. So I've cut the crease, and it's not perfect, but it's something. So now I'm just going to, excuse me. So now I'm just going to take this all over lid shade and just set the foundation, just set the cut crease, because I don't want it to go crazy on me. I don't want it to split. Picking up just a little bit, you can barely see it, and then just work that into the crease. You just want to have that defining blue moment, because it is a blue holiday cut crease. And then just dragging it out by the end of that cut crease. Like that. And then you just want to kind of blend it in. So now that that is well and defined, doesn't really matter if it's not so clean here, we're gonna cover it up anywho. So I'm going to be taking a glitter glue. This is the NYX glitter primer, and then I'm gonna be taking this. I got this from that like bazaar place. I don't even know if it's eye safe, but I'm gonna use it anyway. But I'm gonna be using this like gorgeous, like brilliant blue kind of glitter. I was debating whether I should use this or this, but this kind of has a mermaid greenish shift to it, so I didn't really think it's not really Christmas as that. So I use this instead. So what I do is you just take a little bit like that. That's probably too much. And then take a brush like so. And then just do what you would normally do for your cut crease. You want an even layer, because you don't want like that glitter to goop in one place. So you want to like even that glue out. I'm using a pencil brush because it's easier to get that precise thing. Taking a little bit inside the lid and then popping that straight on the lid where you put the glue. So what I did was I added liner to my glitter look, because if I didn't, I'd look crazy. So now I'm gonna be doing mascara. So today I'm gonna be using the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara, and this is currently my favorite. Second favorite would be the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes, only because of its volumizing and lifting effect, and it doesn't like transfer down to my cheeks after a long day. So and again, like my previous video, I won't be using lashes today because I'm still poor and yeah, I'm still poor. Maybe after Christmas. Now that I've finished my base, I wanted to give that, since it's a holiday look, I wanted to give that glowy, rejuvenated, excuse me, I forgot to put on setting spray. I'm back. So yeah, I wanted to give that glowy, rejuvenated, fresh skin. And with that, I achieved that with these custom Cover FX drops. This one is in the shade, I think this is Moonlight, and I like dotted that all over my face and then Anywho, I will be going back into this palette and I will be picking up this blue to buff on the lower lash line, cause I want that blue to come out, because apparently it ain't coming out through the shadow. So just pull it down with a sponge and then lightly feather that into the lower lash. So next I'm going to be taking the darker blue shade and then I'm going to be buffing it like closer to the lash line, just to define it a little more and kind of give that deepening effect that we all want. Taking it on a brush and then just going right up there. See? So to complete the look, it's only fitting since the eyes are this glam and sparkly and beautiful. I'll be using a nude lipstick, and this is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade, this is Bow and Arrow. I got this in a little Christmas set a long time ago, but it still works. It's still pretty, and it's like, for me, this is the perfect nude. So I use this whenever I don't really want to use lipstick, but I want to feel like I'm using something. Do you guys get that? I do. See? So that is how you get glitter eyes and all over your face and all over your legs and everywhere, because I am literally covered in glitter, and if you don't see it, thank God you don't. That means I did a pretty good job at hiding it. Anyway, you don't really know how much you talk to yourself until you, excuse me, there you go, it's not gone, whatever. You don't really know how much you talk about to yourself until you start filming and talk to yourself, because I talk to myself a lot, apparently, and I didn't know that until today. So, hooray! I found out something new. Excuse me, I burped. Anyway, if you guys like this video and this look and me, you guys can smash that the subscribe button down below. Also smash that, what's that called, the like button. And yeah, and if you guys want to comment, you guys can comment down below. My social media, I hate this part. So my social media will be listed down below in the description box. And if you guys are wondering, I have Facebook, but not for this channel. I have Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat under different handles, I think. And I will catch you guys in the next video.